Dear student, myself Dr. Arvind Kumar Das, Assistant Professor, Department of Veterinary Medicine, Bihar Veterinary College, Patna. Today we will talk about the cobalt deficiency and its impact on animals. Cobalt deficiency can be characterized by anorexia, ill-thrift, and wasting, anemia, scaly ears, and reduced milk yield. In Britain, it is known as fine occurs in sheep. It is also known as bush sickness in New Zealand and Grand Traverse disease in USA, having almost similar types of signs and symptoms. Epidemiological factors of the cobalt deficiency can be described as following. Cattle are less susceptible than sheep and goats. Young ones are more susceptible than adult. Newborn has low reserves and high demand of cobalt. Colostrum provides vitamin B12, but milk has low level of the cobalt. Weaner sheep are also more prone to cobalt deficiency than adult animals. Worm burdens is also an important factor for cobalt deficiency. Barber's pole worm and score worms cause loss of protein from gut, lead to reductions in feed intake. Young animals with heavy worm got affected with cobalt deficiency. Deficiency is rare in carnivores and omnivores because vitamin B12 present in meat. Horses are not susceptible to the cobalt deficiency. Epidemiological factors like soil, cobalt deficiency mostly occurs in deep sandy soils, mottled yellow clay subsoils, loamy sands, and gravelly sands. Less than 0.25 ppm cobalt in soils led to less pasture content. Pasture species is also important factors. Grasses found uh, half cobalt content than clover or cape weeds growing on the same soils. Hence, the rapidly growing animals grazing on grassy pastures suffering from cobalt deficiency. Grazing cattle show secondary ketosis in areas of cobalt deficiency. Winter rainfall is also important factors for the occurrence of cobalt deficiency. Deficiency has greatly seen in areas where there is greater than 500 millimeter annual rainfall. The rain leaches the cobalt from soil. Cobalt is not an essential nutrient for plants. Hence, high growth rate of plant in spring led the cobalt deficiency in plant. Pathogenesis of cobalt deficiency are as following. Cobalt is stored only in limited amount in body. Its action is only in rumen, so it is required continuously in feed. Cobalt is required in rumen to produce B12 cyanocobalamin, which is required for conversions of methyl malonyl coenzyme A to succinyl coenzyme A. Both enzymes intermediates the utilization pathway of the propionate. In cobalt deficiency, there is inability to metabolize propionic acid, leading to failure of peptide, which results in inanition and death. In sheep, hepatic dysfunctions cause white liver disease due to cobalt deficiency. Clinically, photosensitization occurs and become grayish colors and show anemia. Clinical signs are less severe in cattle as compared to the sheep. There are gradual decrease in appetite leads to loss of body weight, emaciation, and weakness in spite of availability of abundant green fodders. Mucous membranes become paler, animals get easily fatigued. There is reductions of growth and milk yield, infertility and diarrhea and lacrimations occurs in later stage of the disease. Clinical signs appears in 6 months of age. Death occurs between 3 to 12 months after the appearance of first symptoms. Clinical sign in sheep appears with weepy eyes, with damp matted wool below the eyes. In some cases, wool break happens, and the decreased wool production led the wool tender and broken. Affected ewes may have small lumps. In cattle, the clinical features appears as rough pale hair coat and reduced milk productions. A score seen in calves, depraved appetite with pica is a prominent feature. Affected animals may eat bark leaf or dirt. Test for cobalt deficiency. Occurrence of cobalt deficiency is vary from year to year, but ill thrips, weepy eyes, and anemia in sheep in moderate to high rainfall area after wet winter and soft spring are highly suggestive of cobalt deficiency. Following test can be done for cobalt deficiency, that is blood test. The blood test can measure enzyme methyl malonic acid, which increases when vitamin B12 is low at the level. Postmortem assay are helpful for the assessment of level of vitamin B12 in liver. Pasture tests should be carried out. A level less than 0.04 ppm indicate about the potential for deficiency. The cobalt level 0.04 to 0.10 ppm is marginal deficiency. Response test should be carried out for the detections of the cobalt deficiency. When cobalt deficiency is suggested, a response test can be done using injectable vitamin B12. Clinicopathological changes are as following: estimation of cobalt or vitamin B12 content of liver reveals about the level of cobalt as 0.3 ppm in liver. Hematology of affected animals indicate about the anemia, but hemoglobin and RBC are normal due to hemoconcentration. This condition is known as normocytic normochromic anemia. Methyl malonic acids in plasma and urine, forminoglutamic acid in urine are diagnostic and prognostic indicator of cobalt deficiency. Hypoglycemia noted and usually less than 60 milligram per deciliter plasma sugar has been observed. Low serum alkaline phosphatase, that is less than 20 international unit per liter has been observed. Differential diagnosis of cobalt deficiency with other diseases are as following. Nutritional deficiency of copper, selenium, and vitamin D should be differentiated with cobalt deficiency because of similar signs and symptoms. Internal parasites of cobalt deficiency predispose to heavy infestations. Jones disease in sheep should also be differentiated. Rule out the other causes of anemia. Treatment of cobalt deficiency are as following. For the treatment of affected sheep, cobalt sulfate 1 milligram per day per sheep orally or can be given in accumulated dose per week. Cattle can be given at the rate of 0.5 gram orally per day or 10 times of the prophylactic dose orally. It gives 1 milligram of cobalt. It is necessary to give 5 milligram of cobalt chloride or cobalt sulfate, especially in water. Parenteral injection of cobalt has no use. Vitamin B12 hydroxycobalamin at the rate of 1 milligram IM for 14 weeks of lambs can be given. Vitamin B12 provides quickest response to treatment. A single injection can prevent the deficiency of cobalt for 6 to 8 weeks. For the control of cobalt deficiency, it is necessary to know about the safe level of cobalt for various animals. The safe level for sheep is 0.06 milligram per kg per dry matters or 5 milligram per day. For cattle, 0.07 milligram per kg per dry matters or 25 milligram per day is essential. Top dressing of cobalt sulfate at the rate of 400 to 600 gram per hectare annually as pellets are beneficial to prevent the cobalt deficiency. Thank you to all of you for listening me carefully.